Hello guys, welcome back to the Avatar Fire and Ash logo animation tutorial. In the first and second part of this series, we created the Embers and the Burning A logo from the Avatar 3 Fire and Ash logo. And remember, we have been doing all this without the use of any third-party plugin. If you miss any of those, check the playlist in the card or check the video's description. Now, let's move on and create the main title avatar with its texture, heat, and animation.
Please help him get to 10K subscribers this year.
Let's create a new composition. Use the same setting as the previous part. Import your logo title. If you have been following along with your own design, that is perfect. But if not, you can simply type in text instead. Drag and drop it into the timeline. Hit S on your keyboard to scale down, then Ctrl+Shift+C to pre-compose this. You can name this title changer. Create a new solid layer and name it texture. Apply fractal noise effect. Go to the effects and control and then under transform tab and set the scale to 20. Change contrast to 60. Now set the texture layer as the track mat for the title changer. Select both layers and pre-compose them and then call it textured title. On the textured title, add a tint effect. Change the white color to a slight warm tone. Duplicate the textured title. Then, on the tint effect, change the black and white colors into orange variant. Use the rectangle tool and mask the bottom. And then feather it slightly. Duplicate again, and this time change the colors to almost white or light gray. Use the rectangle tool again to mask it from the top. Feather it and then reduce the opacity a little. Repeat the same process to create hot areas of the title. Now select all the layers, then pre-compose them and call them title heat. Make a new composition and name it subtitle. Type in the text Fire and Ash. Use the character panel to style it whatever way you like it. Now, in the project manager window, duplicate the textured title comp and then rename it textured subtitle. Double-click to open it. Select the title changer layer in the timeline. Then in the project manager window, grab the subtitle comp, hold the Alt and drag it on top of the title changer layer. This replaces the title changer layer with the subtitle. Go back to the project manager window. Duplicate the title heat comp and rename it subtitle heat. Open it. Then replace each layer one by one with the textured subtitle comp. Now hit M on each layer to reveal the mask and adjust them so that they can properly affect the subtitle text, just like we did for the main title. Now go back to the title composition. Drag in the subtitle heat comp. Select it, scale it down, and then position it under the main title. Create a null object as the control. Parent both title and subtitle layer to the null control. Then align them to the center. Animate the scale property of the null control. Start from 60% and grow it to 100%. Also add opacity keyframe for both title and subtitle layers. Use my timing in the video as a guide for smoother animation. And that is it. Your avatar title are now complete. In the next part, we will bring together different pieces of this logo inside a new composition. And then we will add additional particle effect, environment heat, and other refinement to really push this into a professional finish. So, until I see you again on the next one, my name is SSB Otaru for Motion Digit Studios.